As a small business owner, I know the importance of loyalty from other small businesses, so I try to use small businesses where I can as my vendors, and that also builds a loyalty back to me. But on top of that, I find that many of my parents come in and express challenges in their lives, and they don't want to deal with a big contractor. They'd rather deal with someone that will give them that personalized service. And so I feel I'm able to give back to my customers because of the resources I can build relationships with through the chamber.